Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Klailinux in your VMware workstation player. So we need three components to make your Kali machine run. The first is, let me open the notepad. The first is we need VMware workstation player 16 or whatever the version, VMware workstation player. And second is we need the 7-zip, and the third we need is Klailinux Kali image. So to download all these three components, just go to these sites, just give download VMware workstation player, and it will redirect here, and just give download now. Once you give download now, it will start to download, as you could see here. And this is simple process. And then move to the OSCP. So you should get the OSCP Kali image. So just give OSCP and VM download. It will show this page, okay, and just give click on the URL and it will start to download. And 7-zip. So I have given all these three components link in the description. Check this out, okay? The link is in the description box of all the three elements. And then we are moving to the 7-zip. In 7-zip, if your system is using 32-bit, if you have any doubt your system is using 32-bit or 64-bit, just type info in the search bar, type info, and it will show system info. And over here system type, you could see it is x64, okay, so it is 64-bit, so you should download this one, the first link, 64-bit. If it is 32-bit, download the second one, okay. In this place I am downloading the first one. I have already downloaded this, so let's close this and let's close all these. And the components of all these are in the description box below, so go and take it out. Firstly, we are going to install the VMware workstation player. Install VMware workstation player. Double click on it. Just give yes. This is very easy process. We are just giving next and install it. Okay, and let's wait for it. So let's give finish. I think I have already installed this. So as you could see here, I've already VMware player cannot install alongside VMware workstation. Please uninstall VMware. So I have already installed this software. I'm trying to install it again and again, so that's why it is showing this error. So once you install it, it will show something like this. Don't mind this. This is VMware workstation player, workstation pro. So it will be showing something like this. Okay, just give open, and I've already installed these. So close these. Okay, so once you give next and install this setup, then move on to this one. So this is the Kali image we have downloaded from the OSCP. And also if you want the Z security OSCP, you could also use his one. It is also good, very good. I have tried that one. Just type Z security VM image, and let's type such security. So click on the first link, the download custom Kali. Even this page link will be in the description. Check that out. So as I said, if you are having 64-bit, download any link or the torrent, whatever you want. And the 32-bit is here, ISO is here. And here I've given the links for the ISO video tutorials only. So even this VM image is very good. Let's close this out. and let's open the next. So we have installed the VMware Workstation player. Let me minimize it. The next is we are opening the unzipping the Kali image, Klailinux. So let's double tap on it, and let's give extraction on desktop. Yes. So it will take pretty much at least like 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So finally we have unzipped the file, and let's go to the file. So it is here. So I'm very lucky because the file, while downloading itself, it pre-installed came with the rar zip file. If it isn't in rar zip, you should go to the 7-zip. So I will show this method also. Go just install this 7-zip. Let's wait for it to install the. Okay, let's search for 7-zip and click on this, and let's give open. Operation is not supported for some reason. So as you could see here, where is it? As you could see here, the dump stack, you could move here and extract here. 7-zip is just extractor. So in this place for me 7-zip is not necessary, but in your computer or laptop there is no extractor, then use this 7-zip. Okay, it is pretty much very easy, a childish thing. And let me now boost and open my Kali machine. So let's click on the extracted file. So it is pretty much good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm opening the VMware Workstation player. We have installed this, and I have minimized this one, and I'm going to give open a virtual machine. Okay, we are not going to give create a virtual machine, and there will be another video on how to create a virtual machine and download the Klailinux. So that video will be also in the description of the video, and do subscribe to our channel. And let me give open a virtual machine. Once you give open virtual machine, go to the desktop and Klailinux, go to this file. So we need to go to this file. Okay, so we are going to the desktop. So the file is in desktop, and Klailinux and the extracted file, and give open. That's it. So it is pretty much very easy. And okay, so once it is opened, give edit virtual machines. So in the memory we are going to give 2 GB. So if you have 4 GB RAM, give 2 GB. Okay, if you are having 8 GB RAM, it is better to give 4 GB. Okay, move to, just drag to the 4 GB. I'm very good with the 2 GB because mine is 4 GB RAM, and the processor, it is very good. Just leave it. And the hard disk, it is having the 80 GB, and it is good. And let's go to this one. So you should not do nothing here, no problem here. And NAT, it is good. So USB, it is also good. So it is good. So we are ready to open the machine. Just click on, just double tap here or click here, play virtual machine, and let me close other files. So now we are opening the VMware installed. Okay, let's play virtual machine. So once it will ask I moved it or copied or cancel, just give I copied it. Okay, and let's wait for it. And the default password in OSCP image is Kali. So if you, let me open the Internet Explorer. So as you could see, OSCP VM image, and also Z security, Z security, Kali Linux, Z security Kali Linux, and click on it. It should redirect to the download page. So I think it is redirecting somewhere else. Let's click on this link. Okay, let's click on this also. So if you are downloading the image from the Kali Linux from these websites, the website link is in the description. So the default password of OSCP image will be Kali, and the password username and the password will be Kali if you are downloading from the OSCP. And if you are downloading from the Kali Z security, the password will be root, I guess. Yeah, root, and the username will be root and the password will be Tor. Okay, let's close this. Okay, it's boosting up. Very good. So we have downloaded the OSCP Kali Linux. So the default username and password will be Kali, and give login. That's it. We are now inside the Kali Linux. Oh, it's beautiful, man. And let me maximize it. Suppose if you are wondering why don't I see the dragon picture display, so just it is the inbuilt one. Just give right click and go to the desktop settings, and once you go to the desktop settings, you could see the background over here, and in the backgrounds you could keep whatever you want. So I'm very good with this one. It's better, it's very good. Or you could go with this one also. So let me take a dark one. No, it is better. Yeah, it is better. So finally we have installed the VMware. From the we have installed the Kali Linux in VMware Workstation Player 16. So guys, so I want to tell the differentiation between the I also want to talk about the differentiation between the OSCP VMware image, VM image, and also Z security, whatever, and the differences between the Kali.org download. So even this is the official site to download the Kali. So there's some network problem over here. Let me check the network. Okay, whatever. The difference between, so there is a network problem. The difference between the OSCP image or Z security, whatever, and the original Klailinux.org is that Klailinux.org has every packages, which means that it has every Debian softwares installed, but the OSCP and the Z security Klailinux limits that, because it is very lightweight and it is very much faster comparing to the original one. And the original one, to download the original Klailinux, will be also in the description. Even that will be using the same method. We are going to do that also in the VMware Workstation Player. So this is how to download and install VMware Workstation Player and Kali Linux. So if you like this video, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video, guys.